Hello, welcome. And I think from last few videos, you are able to understand what Kustomize is. Now we have already seen that transformers, and there are various transformer, and we have covered most of it. And if something is pending, we'll cover that too. But now we'll jump to the patches. And what are the patches? So patches provide another ways so that the Kubernetes config can be modified. This could be done via transformer, but it is more powerful. It can target the many resources or one resources, and it can do many more things that whatever the specialized transformer can do. So for patches, three parameters we need. First parameter we need is operation. It could be add, it could be remove, it could be replace. Second thing which patch require is the target. So it can select target with the kind, version, group, name. Means either or properties we can use many more property to match this target label selector. So many properties you can use to match the target, and then you can apply that add or remove operation. And when you add remove operation, you can apply. Then add remove or modify operation you apply. You need to provide the values. Oh, sorry. Uh, we require the values. So whatever the value we want to add, whatever the value we want to replace, but if the operation is removed, then we don't want any value here. So suppose I want to change the deployment, then the kind would be the deployment and whatever the kind name we require, so that the particular resource file would be modified, and that would help. So let's say this is a deployment file. This is a deployment file. So now we want to change the. Now I want to change this name. This and will new and remix to something else. So what customization YAML we require for the patch? So the customization would be patches, and there I need to provide the target, and target is what target is we want to provide kind, that is deployment. And then if there is more deployment, more than one deployment, then you have to provide the name also. So API, that name is neo nginx and this. So we are talking about this deployment. In this deployment, I want to change name to something else. So I would like to apply patches. So patch, patches, patch, and then this it's a multi-line string type of character. So whenever you write anything, suppose I write, suppose this is the thing I write, then what would be the output? So output would be this. This would be the output. So it will remove the extra blank line. If suppose I write like this, then this will add all the blanks. So mostly we'll use this type of output you will do. So mostly we use this. So this is a multi-line type of string. So now I would like to provide the operation. An operation will replace and where to replace and where to replace. So far. So I want to replace name. So where the name exists, and name exists in the metadata and name. So I would like to write metadata and then name. And what value I should provide? That value is Neokloud. So when I apply this patch, then so this is the first replace operation. So path is metadata name. If we go to the metadata name, and it will change this value. Okay, when operation is replace. So first it will target to the deployment, and that deployment is a new engine, and then it will go to the path, and then it will change this. So this is what the patch use. So patch particularly targets the whatever the resource file, and then it will add, remove or replace. So basically, there are two types of patches. First is, so there are two types. This is ridiculous. Not able to get it, yeah. So this is now I can use this type of thing. So very dangerous diagram, please. But just know that there are two patches. Is this one JSON JSON 6902 and strategic merge patch. So what are these JSON 6902 patch? This is what we had done. This is JSON 6902 patch. And for the strategic merge patch, just similar. It's a very means instead of writing this add or operation things, you can just copy this YAML files and you can just paste it here in this target you don't need. You can give this target via a single means things like you can give full YAML file and whatever not required you can remove it. So but in strategic match we are not able to change this whole thing. So I'll do little changes. This is the deployment file. So the six 902 match, we can change the replicas. Here new engine and here replicas is part of replicas is stack and then replicas and the value is earlier value is 1, now the value is 2. So here you can just write a full YAML and here whatever the modified value you can write it. So this is the strategic. So there are limitation for two things. So most of the time we should use this data of 6902 path and this is the simplest things you can have. So I don't know which thing you want to use, but it is also a good thing. So we have covered the patches. We'll dig little deeper with the demo in coming lessons. So thank you so much for your love and support and stay tuned. There are various ways you can connect with me or about me. Neokloud website is there for resources. So my recommendation, if you are watching this video first time, so follow playlist. This is the best thing. Then Neokloud, any the website. Blogs are there. I had not organized yet, but there are so many blogs. Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, and etc. is there. So thank you, friends. Meet in new tutorial.